Have you ever locked eyes with someone and suddenly everything felt different? Like something unspoken just passed between you. No words, no touch, just a look. What if I told you there's a specific way to do this that can trigger feelings someone didn't even know they had? Stay with me, because once you understand this, you'll never look at eye contact the same way again. Most people think attraction is about what you say or how you look, but the truth is, some of the strongest emotional connections happen in silence. Eye contact, when done right, creates tension, curiosity, and emotional pull instantly. And the scary part, most people either avoid it or completely misuse it, making things awkward instead of magnetic. In this video, I'll show you a simple but powerful eye contact trick that feels natural but creates deep emotional impact. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how uncomfortable silence feels when you're looking directly into someone's eyes? That discomfort is actually emotional energy building, because eye contact does something rare. It removes distraction. No phone, no words, no escape, just presence. And when two people are fully present with each other, emotions rise to the surface. That's why even a 3-second eye contact moment can feel more intense than a 10-minute conversation. But here's where it gets interesting. Most people break eye contact too early. Why? Because they feel that tension and they panic. But that tension, that's exactly what creates attraction. Now here's the mistake almost everyone makes. They either avoid eye contact completely or stare. Too aggressively, both are wrong. If you avoid it, you seem insecure, disconnected, or uninterested. If you stare too hard, you create pressure and even discomfort. So what's the balance? It's not about holding eye contact. It's about how you enter and exit it. That's where the trick begins. Here it is. Simple but powerful. The look, pause, look away slowly technique. Let me break it down. Step 1, make eye contact naturally, not forced, not sudden, just let it happen. Step 2, hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Just enough to create awareness, not pressure. Step 3, a slight pause, a microsecond where neither of you moves. This is where tension builds. Step 4, look away, slowly, not quickly, not nervously, slow, calm, controlled, almost like you're choosing to break the moment. Now here's why this works so well. When you look away slowly, you leave behind an unfinished emotional loop. Their brain goes, wait, what was that? And just like that, you stay in their mind longer. Let's go deeper. Humans are wired to notice patterns. When something feels incomplete, our brain tries to finish it. That's why unfinished eye contact creates curiosity. It's the same reason why a paused conversation feels intense. A message left unread sticks in your mind. A moment that almost happened at 1,000 feels stronger than one that did. This technique taps into that exact psychology. You're not forcing attraction. You're allowing curiosity to grow, and curiosity to grow. And curiosity is the beginning of emotional connection. Now you might be thinking, okay, but where do I actually use this? Let me show you. When you first meet someone, instead of looking away instantly, hold for just a second longer. During conversation, when they say something meaningful, pause and hold eye contact. When there's silence, don't rush to fill it. Let the silence breathe, and let your eyes do the talking. When you're about to leave, this is the most powerful moment. One last look, pause, then slowly look away. Trust me, that's the moment they'll remember. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Attraction isn't created by doing more. It's created by doing less, but with intention. Eye contact isn't about control. It's about presence. When you're fully there, calm, grounded, aware, your eyes say things words never could. And that's what makes someone feel something deeper. Not forced, not fake, just real. The real trick isn't the technique itself. It's the energy behind it. If your mind is calm, your presence is strong, and your attention is genuine, even a simple look can spark something unforgettable. Because at the end of the day, people don't fall for words. They fall for how you make them feel in the quiet moments. So next time you're with someone, don't rush the moment. Let it happen. Hold the eye contact, feel the silence, and then let go, slowly, and watch what changes. If you felt this, or you've experienced a moment like this before, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. And if you want to learn more subtle ways to build real attraction and connection, make sure you subscribe. Because sometimes the smallest things create the deepest feelings